The snow fell fast and the wind blew wild.
I'm not scared,
said the Gruffalo's child. Hi everyone, and thank you for those great questions, parents. We all know reading has numerous benefits for children, but some of us struggle on how to inculcate that reading habit in them, especially at an early stage in their lives.
How to find a balance between their choices and how to satisfy them both. So if someone could shed a light on that, that would be wonderful.
Shweta, this one is for you. Go ahead and create a cozy little reading corner anywhere in your home. But remember to go to that place every time you read with your child. This works really well if you have children of different age groups as well. Lead by example, they say. Read with them, read to them, or just read your book and they can read theirs.
My only concern is that he loves books which has animals in it. Be it an activity book, be it a story book, anything, he has to have animal figures in it, which is my biggest concern.
He will read only his favorite books. If I get any new books, he will not explore it, neither read it. So he will just go on reading with his favorite books. So how can I introduce him new books?
It's okay to read the same book repeatedly to your child. They learn through repetition and have lots of fun doing it. Read them their favorite book and then introduce another one right after that.
The only concern I have, we don't have a proper reading routine. So I try to read him during the bedtime, but sometimes it's too late and I just want him to sleep.
We don't have a set pattern. Sometimes I read it to him in the morning, sometimes I read it to him in the evening or in the afternoon, as and when I get time. So I really need to find out what exactly is the routine.
Set a routine. Bedtime reading time, snack time reading time, or even lunchtime reading time. It's better than putting the iPad in front of them. Just try to keep the food away from the book. Setting a routine helps with anything, and it works wonders with reading too. Shabina and Amit, do try this and let us know if it works for your little one. So go ahead, eliminate all the distractions, no gadgets or other toys around while you introduce a book to your child or read the second one for the second time so that they can concentrate on the pictures, turning the pages, listening to the story. I hope all of this helps you to start reading with your children.